He's been breaking for 10 years straight, so you know he's here to stay.
Salute, my friends.
The energy's a thriller, and the cards are always killer. Cheap fun breaks is the big league way.
All right, guys. So first up, we've got Matt. Matt's got 2 Topps Chrome Sapphire, and here are his 2 boxes right here. But before I go any farther, I just want to say, Matt, from all of us that are here, I'm sure, bro, thank you so much. That was such a fantastic year, bro. And you really took us along on the ride, and man, I don't know how to tell you how much we appreciate it. You guys, wow, what a year. Slam Diego, bro, I'm so impressed. And I just want to personally thank you because it was a lot of fun to add San Diego as one of my teams. I really wanted Rays versus Padres in the World Series, but I'll take it as long as the Rays beat the Astros. But bro, thank you so much. Just fantastic year. I couldn't be any prouder, and I'm sure everybody feels the same way. So just wanted to be a little bit of a fan there for a second and tell you that. Now, having said all that, let's see what we can hit you. All right, buddy. Topps Chrome Sapphire. It's a little nerve-wracking because it's so hit or miss, but I got you. Zach Collins, there's a rookie for you for the White Sox. Zach Collins, rookie, nice card. Nick Ahmed, Andrew McCutchen, card looks good in the blue. David Dahl, Dwight Smith Jr. King Felix. Ivan Nova. We haven't hit your color or your auto yet. Well, I think that's color, right? Yeah, okay. Juan Soto, there's a nice card. Juan Soto for the Nationals. Tyler White for the Dodgers. And Chris Shaw. Brendan McKay, rookie. Nice card. Taylor Rogers. I don't know. I saw Xander Bogart. I don't know what to tell you. That's what I saw, so by golly. So a couple of rookies. Brendan McKay is probably your best so far. Juan Soto is probably your best card. I think that's probably even better than the Brendan McKay. Max Scherzer, it's a cool card. Goldie, Johnny Cueto, and here comes your, well, there it is, Jake Rogers, Didi, Southside. All right, that was an okay box. It wasn't a great box. Let's see what your second one has. This is your second box. Nico Horner. Yeah, that's a nice card. Nico Horner, nice rookie. Ravello, Ryan McMahon. Zach Gallen, that's another good rookie. Zach Gallen for the D-backs. Kiermaier, Jansen. I know, I'm trying. Braves. Ketel Marte. Laureano, that's a cool card. The Laureano. JT Riddle. JT Riddle. Schwarber. San Diego Padres. Tatis Jr. on there. Seth Brown. Seth Brown is your rookie. All right, let me sleeve these up. Yeah, I don't know what happened with the whole Kyle Lewis thing because he wasn't in Bowman Transcendent either. It was crazy. That's a really good card right there. Congratulations on that card. Very nice. All right, Matt, I'm doing one more for you just because I want to see if we can get you to add a middle name to your daughter. I'm going to take a couple more minutes and try to hit you a Superfractor or your own card or one of the big rookies. You have to add another name on the wall of the nursery. All right, brother, here we go. Edwin Rios. Brett Gardner. Trey Turner. Otani. That's a nice card. I've hit your card 3 times so far. More than I've hit Robert, that's for sure. So I want to hit another one. No mulligans. Austin Meadows, Chris Taylor. Well, the Nico Horner box, I think, was a pretty good box. So I think we're okay as far as that's concerned. Jose Abreu. Nick Ahmed. Nick Ahmed. That's probably the auto. Don't just stand there. Buster Posey. All right. Last auto. Brock Burke. Well, shit. All right. Well, I guess you don't have to paint anything new on the wall. You don't have to paint anything new on the wall, bro. Brock Burke auto. But my favorite card that I hit you, I want to say, is probably the Nico Horner rookie. That's a really nice card. Sapphire rookie. Zach Gallen. The Padres. Seth Brown, Jake Rowell. Your autos were just straight. Juan Soto. Brendan McKay. Nice card. Yeah. You did not have good autos. But Matt got all the bad boxes out of the way for those of you who got Topps Chrome Sapphire. Matt cleared the way for you. All right, brother. No Superfractor, sorry. Let me save your video, and then we're going to keep going, okay? Sapphire Strahm is a fire name. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that bell for notifications. If you enjoyed what you watched, smash the like button. And if you're looking for a great group break, remember,
He's been breaking for 10 years straight. Who knows what he'll pull today? Cheap fun breaks is the big league way.
this has been a production of CFB TV.